Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Nokia X30 to any Wi-Fi network. And to do this, first let's scroll down our notification bar, scroll down even more. Here you should be able to find the Wi-Fi. If not, you might need to go for the settings, so open up your settings and then on top there's network and internet and Wi-Fi. Right here you can see the list of all Wi-Fi that can be connected to your phone, and this one supports 5G, so I'm gonna go for 2.4 as I'm already connected to 5G. Click on any network and you will need to enter the password, so let's do that. Select connect, and in a few seconds we should be paired to that network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.